Did you know rain is one of the oldest spiritual cleansing rituals on earth? Every drop is a reset, a release, a remembrance. Rain reminds us that cycles are sacred, that what falls away makes room for what's meant to bloom. So take a deep breath and let the water wash through your energy. Repeat after me or in your heart for these potent affirmations for your highest good. I am powerful. I am protected. What is meant for me is already on its way. My life is expanding. My spirit is growing. My path is aligning. Reiki is flowing now, washing away the weight, renewing your courage, blessing your next chapter. Let the rain activate your becoming. And so it is. This is Fierce Grace Healing.